Your Facebook Lives are getting deleted. Here's what to know and how to download them. Facebook has come out with a new update. This happened on February 19th, 2025. I'm recording this March 6th, so not too long ago. But there's a new update that your Facebook Live videos will be deleted after 30 days. And this includes all your past live streams. So some people may not care about this. Others who run businesses and, store live streams on their pages for many reasons as current videos to reference, they're going to be gone. Because if it was over 30 days and you haven't saved them, you don't have those videos, and it's going to make you re-upload them if you want them to live on your Facebook page. Super complicated, super messy, in my opinion. I don't like this update, but what can you expect, right? According to this memo from Facebook, you will get a notification through your email of when this is going to take effect on your account. I'm going to pull up this memo so you can read along with it in case it's helpful. And it says here you'll be notified via email and on Facebook when this change takes effect on your account. And once you're notified, you'll have 90 days to download your live videos or transfer them to cloud storage. If you need more time, you can postpone the deletion for 6 months. And you'll only be able to do that postponing once. I'm going to get into how to download your videos in just a second. I want to note that for memorialized accounts, that they will not be included. So I think that's really important to note. So if you're worried about someone's profile who has passed away, this is not going to affect them. However, I would suggest downloading them anyways, because we don't know, obviously, how long these websites are going to keep our photos. If I could go back to my MySpace and get my pictures from there, I would love that. But we think it's going to be there forever, and this is just another example that it's not. So, recommend following what I'm about to say next. Okay, so in this memo, they explain that there's multiple ways to save your videos. They just don't really explain how to do it that well, because it says you can create a single file with all your live videos that you can download to your device or transfer to cloud storage. Doesn't say how, but I think I know how, so I'm going to show you that. Download one or more live videos from your page on your profile's activity log. To download your live videos, you select your live videos and choose the date range to see the videos available to download. And download the individual videos from your page, profile, or Meta Business Suite. I think one thing to know is you have to have full access to the Facebook page that you're trying to download from, or be the one to originally broadcast to download the live video. And I'm just reading this directly from this, but that's important to note, because if you are just somebody who posts to a page but you don't have full control, you're not going to be able to do this. So you're going to have to contact the person who's in charge. All right, so how do we get our live videos? First things first, let's just look at how we want to download individual ones. This is my Facebook page. So let's see. So you are going to go to more on here. You'll go to live. And then I only have one. I didn't even know I had this one, but apparently I was testing something in 2020. I think this is when I learned about StreamYard and I was curious about it. So to download this individually, wow, look at young me, you will go click on the video and you'll go to these 3 dots and you'll hit download video, and that will download the video. One thing I think is important is if you are doing this to a lot of videos and you want to keep them organized and you've already generated the titles and descriptions, I would copy this, and then as it downloads, because it's downloading and naming itself this crazy thing. Okay, so as it downloads, you can just do a quick rename to testing thing. Like, I don't care about this video, but that's something that I think is important to do, just to keep things organized, and maybe copy the description as well and save that. It's the same process if you're going to do this on a personal page as well. It's a very similar process, just a little different on how to find it. So I guess you could do this too. Nope, you can't. Okay, so the lives don't show up in more on your personal page. You go to these 3 dots, and then you will go to activity log, and your live videos will show up here. And it's pretty much the same from there. And this is an easier function to download, in my opinion. You just go download if you want to do it all individually. So slightly different things on pages and profiles for individual downloads. Okay, so we all may be asking, how do you download all of them at once? Because this seems ridiculous. If you have to do it one by one. Now there may I've been waiting to get this on camera. He does this to me all the time when I'm working and not paying attention to him. But anyways, I'm a little drained today, so I'm trying my best. And we all know that Facebook does not make it super easy to like find things on the back end. It's very difficult. But for how I understand this, if somebody knows a different way to do this, please let me know. But there is a way to download a copy of all of your Facebook information, and you can select live videos as just one option. But personally, I would just download everything. This includes like messages, pictures sent through Messenger, all your photos, things like that. And I've done it before. It does work. It's like one zip file that downloads, but it can be a little overwhelming. So, but I would say if you want to just like, even if you're downloading these as individual files, I would still do this just in case you miss one or something. Okay, so I'm going to switch back into my page. Bear with me, as I said. And you'll go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. And then on this left side, you will keep scrolling, and you're going to go Download Your Information. My cat is being crazy right now. All right. And then what you are going to do is, I don't think I can request a download because I just did this to test. Yeah, I can't. It's not letting me. But basically, you can go and select all of these things, and live videos is right here. So you can just download it all. You can wait. Let me see if this one. So mine is still pending. I can't actually show you what this looks like, but from what I remember, this turns into a little bit of a zip file, and you have to extract it. And one thing to note when you do this, I wish that I wouldn't have tried this before I did this, but you want to make sure that you select all time instead of just like the last year, because I think it defaults to the last year. And then you'll get all of your Facebook live videos. So this is a good thing to do, even if you're not worried about your live videos, but there's just like all your reels, your posts, your stories, live videos. I've done this for messages because I was gathering a lot of photos through Messenger, and it was starting to overwhelm me with all of the pictures I was getting. And I learned how to do this, and you could download the messages, and it saved all of the pictures for me. So I will do you all a favor, and I will link these guides from Facebook directly so that you can click on these links, because for the most part you can just click on these. I have the page one, and then I have the profile as well. It's pretty much the same process, but you just want to download all of your information or just do it directly. You may be somebody who wants to be very organized and just do it directly, because then you can rename them. I hope that was helpful. I feel like I was getting confused because there's so many different things I was thinking about. Mainly I was thinking about businesses who use Facebook Live, and those videos remain on accounts for information, but also people just go live for fun. Like I know when I was looking at my personal account, I had live streams just of me and my friends setting up my computer. I went live in New York City the first time I was there. I was like, well, I've kind of forgot I did this, but you know what, I'm going to download it anyways because it's going to get deleted. So I have yet to receive a notification on my account that it's taking place, but who knows if that's even going to happen for everybody. So I recommend just downloading this. So good news, as I was continuing to research this while I was finalizing this video, I found an article that went into more specifics on how to do this in bulk actions. And there's actually a way to upload this directly to Google Drive. And it shows how you could do it on your phone. So I'm going to link that in the description with everything else, but it is the same process that I explained in this video through the computer, and I think that it makes more sense to download it on the computer as well. But just FYI, there is a link in the description that is going to be very detailed from Facebook as well. But I'm curious to know, do you care that this is even happening? I could see how this could affect businesses or people who store a lot of content through live video, because that's the original way that it was produced. But does this bother you at all? I think I'm mostly bothered because it's all of the past videos. I think that maybe we could have just started like, hey, this new rule is happening now. All your old ones will be in place, but that's a lot, because live is a strategy for a lot of people, content creators, and if those videos are just going away, you're losing a lot of content, and it's a big task to re-upload, and I don't know if people will have the effort. They may just move off the platform. I don't mind the 30 days because I think that's how long like TikTok holds their videos as well, for example. But yeah, what do you think? Let me know. Hopefully that was helpful. That's all I got. Have a nice day. I look like a massive crazy Taylor Swift fan today, which I am, but like I just put this shirt on because I was wanting to be cozy. And then I have a blanket in here. But this is my safe shirt I won. Now they're made. I've been waiting to get this on camera. He does this to me all the time.